The kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's the heartbeat of a home. In 2024, kitchen remodel trends are taking a turn towards the extraordinary. Being in the know about these trends can add substantial value to your home. Stay tuned as we delve into the top kitchen remodel trends for 2024. Kitchens in 2024 are all about personality, functionality, and sustainability. Let's explore these trends. First off, opulent backsplash designs are making a big splash. Think richly detailed mosaics, textured tiles, and bold patterns. This adds a layer of luxury and personal touch to every kitchen. Next up, lighting layers. This trend involves using a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's not just about illuminating your space, but also about setting the mood. The third trend on our radar is natural materials. We're seeing a shift towards materials like wood, stone, and metal, bringing a sense of authenticity and connection to nature into the kitchen. The fourth trend is all about maximum storage. Open shelves, extensive cabinetry, dual-purpose kitchen islands, and other customized solutions are all on the rise. It's all about creating a place for everything and keeping everything in its place. Our fifth trend is statement colors. Bold, vibrant hues are becoming popular, adding a pop of personality to the kitchen. Next, we have bohemian accessories. Think artisanal pieces, eclectic decorations, and rich textured fabrics. Finally, we're bringing the outdoors inside. Incorporating indoor plants, eco-friendly decor, natural light, and earthy tones make the kitchen a serene, calming space. These trends are not just about aesthetics, but also about creating a space that aligns with your lifestyle and values. In 2024, kitchen designs are moving towards eco-friendly materials, innovative storage solutions, and bold color choices. Expect to see opulent backsplash designs, layered lighting, and an abundance of natural materials. Storage is getting a makeover too, with open shelves, extensive cabinetry, dual-purpose islands, and personalized solutions. Statement colors and bohemian accessories will add a touch of individuality. Indoor plants, eco-decor, and earthy tones bring the outdoors in. Remember, the best kitchen remodel is one that reflects your personal style and meets your unique needs. Happy remodeling! For more information on the latest kitchen trends and remodeling solutions, contact One Stop Kitchen Plus Bath at https://onestopmn.com.